Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to Science Class with me, Mem Devi from Minu Pucang, Sidoarjo. At this time, we will learn about electrical circuit. Now, I will ask you a question, how to make a simple electrical circuit. Do you know what is this? The red light turns on because the circuit is closed by the control system, allowing electricity to flow through the red LED bulb. If the circuit is open, the light will not turn on. Have you ever seen a light bulb turn on because of battery? Well, that is an example of a simple electrical circuit. Let's learn more. Have you ever seen a light bulb turn on? So, a circuit is like a road for electricity. If the road is complete, electricity can travel and give us light. If the road is broken, electricity stops. In today's modern era, information on how to use electrical energy properly and wisely is very easy to access. But sometimes, humans are lazy to learn and read. In the Quran Surah An-Nur, verse 35. Allah guides to His light whom He wills, and Allah presents example for the people, and Allah is knowing all of things. This verse explains that how Allah provides guidance through light. Similarly, Allah has given humans reason and knowledge so that they can discover electricity, create circuits, use them for the benefit of human life. Today, we will learn about simple electrical circuits. What are they? Electrical circuits are paths or routes for electric current to flow so that it can turn on light or other device. Today, we will learn about simple electrical circuits. What are they? Electrical circuits are paths or routes for electric current to flow so that it can turn on light or other device. Today, we will learn about simple electrical circuits. There are two types of simple circuit: series circuit and parallel circuit. First, let's talk about a series circuit. In a series circuit, all the components are connected one after another like a single chain. This means the electrical current only has one path to follow. Second, let's talk about a parallel circuit. In a parallel circuit, components are connected side by side. To make a simple circuit, we need a battery as power source, 2 wires for the current path, 3 a lamp as load and a switch to open or close the circuit. We can connect it to the civic. Indonesian society also consists of different ethnic groups, religion, language, and culture, but remains united in building the nation with the spirit of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, or unity in diversity. Properties of material are also related to simple circuit. When making a simple circuit, we must pay attention to the properties of the object used. For example, the inner cable use a conductor material can conduct electricity. And the outer part consists of a material with insulating properties cannot conduct electricity according to the use of the cable. How to make a simple circuit? 1. Connect one wire from the positive end of the battery to the light bulb. 2. Connect another wire from the other side of the light bulb to the negative end of the battery. 3. If the circuit is complete and everything is connected properly, the light bulb should light up. You can also add a switch between the wire and the battery to control when the light bulb turns on and off. How to make a simple circuit? 1. Connect. After knowing electrical circuit, currently there are many cases of fire that originate from electrical short circuit. This often occur due to human negligence in using electrical energy properly and wisely. Now, how can we save electricity in our daily life? 1. Do not play with electrical socket. 2. Do not touch electrical things with wet hand. 3. Do not put too many plugs in one socket. 4. Always switch off the electricity when not in use. Electricity is very useful for our life. It gives us light and helps us cook and makes our fans and TVs work. But we must use it wisely and safely, so accidents do not happen. Okay, that's all for our lesson about electrical circuits. See you in the next material. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.